This is where days turn into dreams, where ho-hum takes a turn off the beaten path. This is where life slows down. Welcome to 5000 Tiffany Ave Northeast in Rockford. The great room features custom built-ins and a double fireplace. The kitchen shines with Starmark cabinetry and an adjacent dining area. The luxurious owner suite is ready to pamper you with its stunning lake views and adjoining full bath. Lower level is outfitted with a wet bar, wood-burning stove, and patio walkout, plus additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. The two-story barn is fully equipped and sits alongside a spacious corral. This is where your passions come into play, and where beauty surrounds you from sunrise to sunset. With nothing but nature surrounding you, it's easy to feel as if you're miles from anywhere. However, downtown Rockford is just a 20-minute drive away. Out back, you'll find a fire pit and a private dock leading out to McCarthy Lake. So come home to where your dreams lie in wait, somewhere between the lake and the land. Come home to 5000 Tiffany.